Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing, Tony with RVFix? Today we're going to do a Winterize on your 2026 Go Lite 15 RBE. All right, let's get started. So we come around over here. This is where our gravity fill is. So right underneath here is going to be where our drain for our freshwater tank is. So right here we've got a fitting in this white cap. So we're going to go on ahead and unscrew this white cap and let that fresh water drain out. Make sure it's empty. All right, so we're going to want to pull the drain plug for our water heater. First thing you want to do is make sure your water pump is off, and then I like to raise that lever on our T&P valve. That way it'll relieve the pressure on there, and then we can go ahead and pull this plug. 1 1/16" socket will get that off for you. Go ahead and set that here, and then when I pull that drain plug for the freshwater tank, I'm going to just leave that there. Go ahead and flip your lever down there, let that drain out, and close that up. We'll head on inside. All right, so we got a couple of gallons of antifreeze. We're going to want to go ahead and bring those on in. I'm going to set these down. We're going to actually get to the back of the water heater here and bypass the water heater. Right on the back side of the water heater, we've got these valves. We're going to go ahead and turn those to where they're pointing at each other. If it's in summarize mode, the valves are going to be pointing at the water heater. And if they're pointing at each other, they're using this small little hose in between the two valves in order to bypass the water heater. So that's the position we want that in for first, winterized position. So once we got the water heater bypassed, we're going to want to go over to the water pump, which is right here in the bottom of our pantry. So this panel on the floor of the pantry is removable. So we go ahead and get that out. We got our water pump in here. Now this little hose right here is our winterizing hose. It's got a plug in it. And see this valve right here? That valve is allowing water to come from the freshwater pump tank to the pump. If we rotate that handle to where it's across the hose, that's closed. And now it'll allow that water pump to suck the antifreeze through this hose here. So we pull that plug out, don't lose that, open up our antifreeze bottle and stick the hose right inside. Then we turn the pump on. Okay, we got our water pump, turn it on. And then we go to one of the faucets and do one handle at a time. Let that run till it goes pink. You always want to keep an eye on your antifreeze bottle. Make sure it doesn't go empty. If it does, it's not a big deal. You can just switch it. To our shower here, and same thing, run one faucet at a time. Don't forget your toilet. Let it run till it goes pink. When we're done, we want to make sure it leaves a little antifreeze down in the bottom there, just like the water does when you're done flushing the toilet. That antifreeze is going to keep that seal lubricated. Make sure it doesn't get all hard over the winter. Now we're going to run outside. We've got an outside shower and our low point drains we need to go address. I got a bucket here, just like we did inside, one faucet at a time. Let it go till it runs pink. Put that away. And then right directly under the shower, back here by our sewer, we have our low point drains. So you're going to pull these plugs here, let a little antifreeze drip out, put the plugs back in, and you're all done. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave questions in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.